G'day, welcome to Pay It Forward. Today is launch day for Masterclass for April, and April is our Easter month, so I thought we would go with a bunny vibe. This project has been on my list for literally 30 years. I've wanted to make the beautiful white rabbit from Alice in Wonderland and finally got to share it with you all. Thank you all so much for letting me do that. There's a couple of ways to make this one up, and there is lots more to learn this month in Masterclass. So this is a very vintage storybook style, and it's my style absolutely. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. So let's have a closer look at my beautiful white rabbit. So this is my beautiful white rabbit, and as you can see, it is a freestanding art doll. So we have got some blocked in feet. Very much an arty sort of a doll. You can see that we have done some beautiful, more extensive needle felting now. So we're really starting to get into needle felting with this one. And it's a great project to start with. So we build up all of this lovely front muzzle section nose and create that little pouty mouth, which is there ready to toot his little horn. So I do show you how to make that very simple little horn. It's easier than you would think. It's just a matter of putting things together. We've got that lovely little pennant, the classic vintage style from all the vintage illustrations, tunic with a slight modern twist to it. And you can see it's got that gorgeous sandwich board sort of a look to it, the little tunic. Just open at the sides there. Pop in a lovely coloured undershirt and you've just got a gorgeous finish. Turn him around, that cute little tail at the back, and the tunic goes either side of it. So you can see very much an art doll, very much soft sculpture this one. Look at those fab ears, and you know what? They're jointed. We don't have to sew them on, so they're going to be perfect for everybody. Look at those beautiful blue eyes. So the tones that I've used are classic, absolutely classic vintage style. You can make this one up as Peter Rabbit, which is really exciting. And I certainly will walk you through that when we're in the process of making this one. So lots of new things to learn, and certainly a piece that is going to be possibly one of the best things you've ever made. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing them. I've just added a little extra little watch face there. And I have put together a kit for you all, for one of you to win. And now I don't have the felt here, I'm waiting for that to come. So I have the same felt for you, and enough in that beautiful antique white. So there'll be a nice stack of felt for you. There are the beautiful same premium blue glass eyes that I've used here. I've also got all of the joints that you're going to be needing, and I've got you a little fob watch. Very cute. So that's something you can add to the project, and it really makes it that classic white rabbit look. So let's go and see who's going to win this gorgeous pack. So thank you so much for joining me and having a little look at my white rabbit. I hope some of you are enticed over to create your own version. Certainly perhaps a Peter Rabbit. If I can find time, I might even create one of those myself. Now this time with our giveaway, I'm not going to ask a question. What I'm going to do is just everybody comment about what you think of my white rabbit below this video, and I'm going to randomly choose someone. Make sure you're in Masterclass, because the kit of course is for a Masterclass project. So I'll give you a couple of days, and I think in this case it's going to make it more fair for everybody living in all different parts of the world. So it will just be a random choice, so a nice comment will make me really happy. Thank you so much. I'm very excited to see your results. I'm super jealous of you all being able to make it up as Peter Rabbit. I'm never going to get the time, so you've got to do that for me. If you haven't joined Masterclass and you think you would like to, have a look, and I've got the link down below. You can come and check it out. There's a little video in Masterclass before you join. You can have a look at that and see what we're all about there. So when you join Masterclass, you get all of the projects that have gone before and the current one as well. great big library of creativity. Also come and share your own creations, anything you've created with my patterns right here on Pay It Forward or in Masterclass. Come and share them on our Facebook page. It's a great page because you get feedback. It's always positive. We're very kind and helpful there. I've got some fabulous wingmen. Of course, we've got Alison who runs the whole thing. Thank you, Alison. Much love to you for keeping it all going and keeping it all nice and tidy and happy. So come and join that one. We love to see your work. I certainly do. I drop in there whenever I can. Remember too, I often choose projects that I see. They can be Pay It Forward projects or Masterclass projects, something that just takes my eye. Great photography is always a help, and I share them on my Instagram story. So if you want to talk to me privately, you can always chat to me on Insta. That address is across your screen there. And in the meantime, everybody, I want you to have a fantastic creative week. Keep on paying all those good things forward. Share Pay It Forward with your other sewing communities outside of Pay It Forward. Let's bring more people in to play with these fabulous patterns that are free. So that's how we're going to stop all of those plagiarizing people in their tracks. We're just going to get the Pay It Forward word out there. So thanks everybody so much for your support, and I will see you next time. For now, it's hooroo from me.